See, this is why I like my Chelsea. Always teams underrate us. So when you open up, you know our Chelsea. For Chelsea, our issue is that just go on low block. Yes, you will make it difficult against us. But when you open up, Charlie, you will collect the goals. Because the Pessy, the pressure, the direct estival is there. Yes, and the experienced NATO is there. Now, the potential Ballon d'Or winner, Alejandro Garnacho, is there. Garnacho is there. For João Pedro there, the clinical João Pedro, the efficiency João Pedro is also there. The player, the striker who doesn't need so many chances before he scores. See, guys, we're all Brighton. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Mohamed Suleiman and Richman bin Doughty. We are back. The international break is over. Chelsea is back to continue our unbeaten run to win this season Premier League and this season Champions League. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the preview of Brentford and Chelsea game, and at the end part of this video, I'm going to give you my score prediction and my analysis on this game. By the way, guys, let's look at players who are available for this game and players who are not available. From our tactical Enzo Maresca, from the man himself, Enzo Maresca said that Cole Palmer trained, but he didn't have a full training session with Chelsea. He trained little bit for some time, and they will assess him to see if he can train more this afternoon. There, maybe he will play that game, Brentford versus Chelsea. So Cole Palmer playing is no more 100% confirmed. It's not 100% confirmed. He may play or he may not play, from our tactical man Enzo Maresca, ladies and gentlemen. And the next player or next players who are back are Bernard Badiashile and Romeo Lavia. Bernard Badiashile and Romeo Lavia. Yes, the midfield genre. See, in world football, when these guys combine, Lavia and Caicedo, their combination cannot be compared. When we have Lavia and Caicedo in the midfield, guys, forget. Don't compare. Which team midfield is stronger than having Caicedo and Lavia in Chelsea midfield? Which team midfield? No. So, guys, Lavia is also back, but whether he will start or not, for that one, is not a guarantee. Yes, Enzo Maresca said they started training, but he will see whether they can play or not. Bernard Badiashile and Romeo Lavia. And our new signing, the future Ballon d'Or winner, Alejandro Garnacho. The man who conquered Manchester. The man who is doing everything good at Manchester. But Manchester United fans are ungrateful to him. Yes, Alejandro Garnacho. The man who always sacrificed himself for Manchester United. But United fans are saying that he had bad attitude. He had ego issues. He had what problems. He is not respectful. He is not respecting our manager. What. Alejandro Garnacho, since he joined Chelsea up to now, he's sleeping in Cobham. Garnacho is sleeping in Chelsea training ground. Come and see. Playing for Chelsea is really totally different from playing for any other team, Manchester United or Arsenal. I'm telling you, see, guys, Garnacho keep on training. See, Garnacho is scoring goal for fun. Chelsea training ground. In Chelsea gym room, come and see Garnacho. See, he is lifting every ball that you can talk about in Chelsea gym room. And the training ground, as I told you, see, he is scoring goals for fun. Garnacho is ready. Alejandro Garnacho is ready for the Premier League. Garnacho is ready for this season Champions League, FA, Premier League, Defenders. In fact, prepare for Garnacho. Prepare for Alejandro Garnacho. So, guys, Garnacho is also available. He trained all over the week. He didn't go to the international break. Yes, as I said, he was sleeping in Chelsea training ground. So they asked Enzo Maresca about Garnacho starting, and Enzo Maresca said he will see, yes, whether he will give him some minutes or not. That because Garnacho trained a lot, so he will see whether Garnacho will play or not. But I don't think Enzo Maresca will start him. Yes, from the west of Enzo Maresca, I think Enzo Maresca see Garnacho starting to be too early. So let's see. By the way, Garnacho may get a playing time. So, guys, Alejandro Garnacho is also available. And happy news to Chelsea fans around the world. Reece James played 2 games in a row during the international break. So even Enzo Maresca said that. That means that James is ready to start. So this game, maybe we will see our captain starting this game. And in fact, the best right back in the world. See, if James is fit, see, nobody will talk about Arnold. Nobody will talk about any right back, Frimpong, any right back you can talk about. If James, fully fit Reece James cannot be compared to anybody in modern football, in world football, as we are speaking now. Fully fit Reece James is playing for any team in this world, starting, not on the bench, walking straight to Real Madrid starting 11, walking straight to Barcelona. For Arsenal, he will be their super captain, and Manchester United, he will be their super captain. So guys, Reece James is also available. He will play this game. And apart from all these players, everybody is available. Yes, our Cucurella, our Sanchez, yes, our Tosin is back. Except Liverpool is also out. For Liverpool, we already knew about it. Even Liam Delap is also out. Enzo Maresca said Delap will be out for 10 to 12 weeks. So we are wishing them all the best, all these players. Yes, they return safely, because currently the striking position, we have João Pedro and we have McGill. And after this game, Brentford game, we are going to play against Bayern Munich in the UEFA Champions League against Nicola Jackson. Or against Bayern Munich, not Nicola Jackson. Yes, Nicola Jackson said he can't wait to play against Chelsea, but we all know he's not scoring. No. He's not scoring on that day. So guys, these are the latest information from Chelsea camp concerning our players. And Chelsea versus Brentford. How do I see this game? This game, it will be tough. Because guys, I can't believe that when I check our last 5 games, we lost 2, draw 3 games, and won 1 game out of our last 5 games against Brentford. Yes, when you look at their team this season, they don't have, yes, they are dangerous players again. Wissa and Mboma, Wissa to Newcastle, Mboma to Manchester United. But still, this kind of teams, especially they are home, and we are going to play them in their home in this game. So we can't go there to underrate them. They are always dangerous. See, in Premier League, there's no small team in the Premier League. Very dangerous, I'm telling you. So Chelsea going to play Brentford. It won't be an easy game, I'm telling you. Especially the player just returned from international break. Yes, you know, when you miss football and you are going to start again, things are totally different. So this game, some of us are looking at this game to be already a win game, yes, for Chelsea, but it is not like that, and it won't be like that. This game, we are going to work for it. If Chelsea, we are going to win this game, we are going to work for it. So for that matter, we can't afford to. Even our midfield, we can't afford to make it open. Brentford, they are good over the past years, past season. Anytime that we are going to beat them, we always suffer before beating them. I can still remember under Thomas Tuchel 2021, that game Mendy saved Chelsea. Mendy was like an eagle in that game. That year, if you can remember what, Mendy was doing save here and there. That won out the game that season. So Chelsea beating Brentford is never easy. It is always difficult. So this game, what I will say is that the players should go and prepare. They should be ready. They should press. They should show the intensity. They should show the clinical. They should defend very well. And Enzo Maresca should come out with best starting 11. Best. We don't want mediocre starting 11 in this game. No. Because we have to start well. 3 games. This game will be our 4th game in the Premier League. So we have to start well, because this season at least win the Premier League and win the Champions League. We are going to win the fucking Premier League and win the fucking Champions League this season. So for that matter, we must start very well. So guys, this is how I see this game, Brentford versus Chelsea. And my score prediction, guys, I will say Chelsea 3, Brentford 0. Clean sheet. Yeah, see, they will open up. See, this is why I like my Chelsea. Always teams underrate us. So when you open up, you know our Chelsea. For Chelsea, our issue is that just go on low block. Yes, you will make it difficult against us. But when you open up, Charlie, you will collect the goals. Because the Pessy, the pressure, the direct estival is there. Yes, and the experienced NATO is there. Now, the potential Ballon d'Or winner, Alejandro Garnacho, is there. Garnacho is there. For João Pedro there, the clinical João Pedro, the efficiency João Pedro is also there. The player, the striker who doesn't need so many chances before he scores. See guys, we rob Brighton. We have to go and pay another money to Brighton for signing João Pedro. Who saw this signing? Guys, we don't want this video to be long. By the way, as I said, my score prediction will be Chelsea 3 or Brentford 0, Chelsea 3. By the way, guys, please just remind you, leave your score prediction. Yes, after the game, during my review, I will mention your name and mention your score prediction. If only we win. But inshallah, we'll win. Inshallah, we'll win. So please leave your score prediction under the comment section. And let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game, Chelsea Brentford. How do you see this game? How can Chelsea win this game? Take care, peace.